Hi everybody, it's me, Leigh, with Victorian Dreams by Leigh. Can you believe that I'm making a video? Look what I'm doing. I'm making cards using Anna Griffin's card kit, and this is my setup lately. I've been spending time with my grandson, and yep, that's what I'm doing. This is how I roll right now, just because I want to. Anyway, so that's what he's doing, and that's what I'm doing. But look at this kit, 40 cards. Look at all the yummy stuff. You layer these and they become three-dimensional. I don't know if you can see that, but I just wanted to show y'all that I'm still around and I can't wait to start crafting. That's baby Axel, and I've been posting in Glue Gun Chronicles a little bit, so go find my group and you can see what I'm doing. But I do miss y'all, I do miss crafting, but I am enjoying life. Thanks for watching. I'll try to sneak back in when I can. Bye guys.